Hello, CS scholars. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, we have completed our chapter Living and Non Living Things, and now we are going to solve the workbook. So, let us begin. Okay, so the living world, we have done the chapter Living and Non Living Things. So, now in our workbook, two worksheets are being given. So, let us solve one by one. So, worksheet 1. A chart with pictures of living and non-living things is given below. Observe the pictures carefully. Write yes or no in the boxes to answer the questions. Okay, so now we have to fill the given boxes with yes or no. So here I have taken two examples. Rest of them you will solve it on your own. So let us see two examples. So the first one. So students, the first picture is of a teddy bear. Yes. So now let us see which questions are being asked. So the number one, first question is, does it breathe? So does a teddy bear breathe? No. So in the given box we are writing no. What is the next question? Does it move on its own? So do the teddy bear move on its own? No. So in the given box we have written no. Does it eat? Does a teddy bear eat? No. So in the box we have written no. Then the next question is, does it grow? Have you seen a teddy bear growing? No, it is not growing. So in the given box we are writing no. And the last question is it a living thing? So from the questions we have answered before this, let us see them one more time. So we will get the answer whether a teddy bear is a living thing or not. So the teddy bear does not breathe, it does not move on its own, it is not eating, it is not growing. So it is a non-living thing. Yes. So our question is it a living thing? So we are writing no. A teddy bear is not a living thing. Okay, now we will see the second example. The second picture is of a cow. So does a cow breathe? Yes. Does it move on its own? Yes, we have seen cow moving on their own. Does it eat? Yes, we can see in the picture only that the cow is grazing grass. So it is eating. Does it grow? Yes, a cow grows. So in the boxes we have written yes. And the last question is it a living thing? So now we have to see all the boxes that we have solved before and the answer. So does a cow breathe? Yes. It moves on its own, it eats and it grows. So it has all the features and characteristics of a living thing. So in the box we have to write down yes. Yes, cow is a living thing. Okay, now rest of the pictures which are given, that you will solve it on your own. So now let's move to the next worksheet. So worksheet 2. The correct sentences from the box given below and write beside each. Okay, so according to the given picture we have to write down the sentences from the box. So let us see the first picture. In the first picture there is a baby girl, then it grows and it converts into a woman. So which characteristic is this? Living things grow. Very good. So in the given space we have to write down living things grow. Okay, now let us see the next picture. We can see one dog and puppies around the dog. So which statement we are going to write down? Living things give birth to young ones. Yes, very good. Then the third picture is a lady is eating. So from the given box, we will write down living things need food. Yes, very good. Now let us see next example, the fourth and the fifth picture. So the fourth picture is a person is taking in air, means the person is breathing. So which characteristics of living things? Living things can breathe. Yes, very easy. And then the last picture is of a bird flying. So from this picture we can write down which characteristics of living things, that living things can move. Okay, so here we have completed the solution of our workbook. So here we come to an end of our chapter number 4, which is living thing and non-living things. Okay students, I hope you all understood, and take care and bye bye. Thank you.